And there's no end to the drone menace in Jammu. A fresh drone was spotted near international border in Arnia sector of Jammu. Alert BSF personnel fired at the drone, after which it returned towards the Pakistani side. BSF released a statement saying that a blinking red light was observed by our troops at about 9:52 p.m. yesterday at a height of 200 meters, and after they opened fire, it returned. The area has now been cordoned off. This is the 8th such spotting of a drone in and around Jammu since 2 explosive-laden drones crashed into the Indian Air Force Station on 27th of June. Meanwhile, sources have told India Today that 2 crucial MHA meetings have taken place in a month focusing on procurement of anti-drone technology.
Drone activity has been once again witnessed in Jammu and Kashmir. Last night, a drone was spotted by alert BSF troops along the international border in Jammu's Arnia sector. And as soon as this drone was seen hovering over that area, the alert BSF personnel fired at the drone. But soon this drone vanished from that area. It's clear that the operator of this drone pulled it back towards the Pakistani side. After this incident, the BSF troops carried out an intense search operation in the entire area along the international border, but nothing was found. It's not clear that whether this drone had been sent by Pakistan for spying or for smuggling weapons in that area. The BSF troops are still carrying out search operations. So far, nothing has been found, but in the recent past, we have seen drone activity taking place in and around the important military stations in Jammu. In the last 2 years, we have seen that Pakistan has used drones to smuggle weapons in Jammu and Kashmir, to smuggle drugs, and this is a new modus operandi that has been used by the terrorists and Pakistan. Few weeks ago, we saw that drones were used to carry out terror attack on Jammu's Air Force Station. Now the security agencies are trying to formulate a new strategy to deal with this new threat of drones. With video journalist Neeraj Kumar, this is Sunil Bhatt reporting from Jammu for India Today.